Yesterday, you entered the world of TV makeup. Bridgeton is all about the scandalous lives of the elite, surrounded by gossip and secrets.
Today, we want you to create a dramatic look that reveals a secret that you have kept hidden from others. A truth untold.
You'll be doing makeup on yourselves. We want to see how effectively you can tell your story and how creative and imaginative you can be.
All right, Rue, Morgan, your time starts now.
I'm taking it as an opportunity to up my game, learn from my mistakes, and show why I deserve to stay in.
Rue's Secret Untold reveals their struggles with OCD and phobia of germs.
My look takes inspiration from bacteria, particularly the way they're grown on a Petri dish.
And they're pulling out all the stops to try to beat the scene.
There's going to be a colour-changing element, which is quite risky because it's kind of something that I came up with on my own.
So, guys, you've had 1 hour and 30 minutes. You have 1 hour left. Let's get cracking.
Oh, why did you say that?
So it's supposed to look like my face is shiny and glossy, like the jelly agar of a Petri dish.
Very excited for what Rue's doing. I mean, that looks like 3D Avatar.
And also really clever to start with the white to get the blue to really come through.
Up until I started doing the white highlights, I really wasn't sure, but now I'm adding this. Yeah, I think it's working, yeah. I'm just coming up close to you because I'm going to do a little scientific magic trick and I want to make sure you can see it properly. So take note of how my face looks and the colours. I've used a pH-sensitive material and then I'm just going to take this glycolic acid toner.
Wow. Major moment.
Oh, that's clever.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Wow. Oh, we've not seen that before.
That made my arm hair stand straight
Me
up.
too.
Straight up.
This look is based on my love of science and fear of germs, a symptom of OCD that I've struggled with in secret.
The second you started putting the blue powder on top of your white makeup, I was absolutely intrigued. When you then started spraying yourself and it's changed, it was magical.
I mean, it looks mouldy. All the veins that are coming through is just gorgeous. What you've done is really put a stamp in this workroom, and I'm excited to see what else you might do.